We're living in a period where we're witnessing robots performing tasks as human beings, from assisting in medical surgeries to handling various tools. From cleaning utility hose to spotting and gas welding, robots are performing multiple tasks. Reports are now deployed in various industries and several jobs. They're taking over the areas where the physical presence of a human is dangerous. Robots are playing a significant role in warfare and mining nowadays. The best part is that, unlike humans, they never get tired and work non-stop, providing a 24-hour facility. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, as you've already guessed, we'll be going over the most realistic humanoid robots in the world. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon for more updates. ROMEO. Let's meet ROMEO, who's programmed to assist people in their daily needs. Weighing 35 to 40 kilograms, ROMEO will act as a natural companion, helping the elderly by starting conversations, suggesting games, and playing with them. This robot's fundamental role is to help people with everyday tasks like taking medication and remembering appointments, compiling a shopping list, or finding lost spectacles. Ideally, it should also detect if the person has fallen, help them get up, and call the emergency services if required. The Aldebaran team, preparing ROMEO to become the perfect companion robot, is also devoting their large part of research to teaching ROMEO how to prepare pancakes by following a recipe it'll download from the internet. In the future, ROMEO will join a long line of advanced humanoid robots intended to entertain and help care. Humanoid DK. Developed at Aalborg University in Denmark, this humanoid, with amazing human-like features, was designed to replicate the movements and facial expressions in a lifelike manner. It's so realistic that you'd mistake Humanoid DK for a natural person. In fact, the robot was modeled on Professor Henrik Scharf. Alongside a team of Japanese researchers, they built a head and body to replicate Scharf's as much as possible. The professor even donated some of his own hair for the robot's wig. The result is a level of accuracy unparalleled in previous humanoid robots. Frighteningly so. Yet beneath Humanoid's silicone skin, it's 100% machine. Through external cameras and microphones positioned around the robot, Humanoid perceives the world. Although strictly speaking, Humanoid isn't the one perceiving the world. Instead, Scharf controls the robot from a distance, like telepresence. Humanoid DK has 5 levels of function: sleeping, online, idle lip synchronization, and face synchronization. Each is more human-like than the one before. Using a complex array of pneumatic actuators in the eyes, forehead, eyebrows, eyelids, and cheeks, Scharf controls the robot's complete facial structure. It's a remarkable achievement, bridging the uncanny valley like never before. Pepper. Meet Pepper. It's the world's first social humanoid robot that has the potential to recognize basic human emotions and faces. It was utilized for human interaction and can meet and get to know people through various conversations and is top screen around the globe. Over 2,500 companies have adopted Pepper as an assistant for different tasks like guiding the visitors and welcoming them in a very innovative way. Pepper has more than 15 degrees of freedom and is capable of speech recognition in more than 10 different languages. It stands 120 centimeters tall with a touchscreen on its chest displaying content to highlight messages and support speech. His curvy design makes him cute and ensures a danger-free use. Pepper was manufactured by SoftBank Robotics and was introduced at a conference on June 5, 2014. Currently, he's being owned at medical facilities and banks in Japan and is a receptionist at several UK offices. Pepper was also reported to have been used in several homes in Japan, being available as a research and educational robot. Pepper teaches programming at several schools and colleges. Pepper is not a functional robot for domestic use. Pepper has 2 HD cameras, a 3D depth sensor, and 4 microphones in his head. He weighs 28 kilograms and runs on lithium-ion batteries. His creators hope that new uses and content will be created for Pepper from his independent developers in the future. Sophia. Sophia is a humanoid robot that was activated in 2016 by Hanson Robotics in Hong Kong. Her theme is based on the looks of late actress Audrey Hepburn and the Queen of Egypt, Nefertiti. This specific humanoid has been to the also-renowned Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, 60 Minutes with Charlie Rose, and had several high-profile interviews with CNBC, Business Insider, and the like. She was also seen for an interview with the actor Will Smith. Sophia is capable of speech and can start up a conversation instantly. She's also good at interpreting visual information and performing facial recognition and can show more than 50 facial expressions. She even cracked jokes about reading too much about Elon Musk and watching too much Hollywood fiction. What more? Sophia is the first robot ever to be granted nationality. Sophia was given citizenship in October 2017 and is the first non-human to be given any United Nations title. She can recognize faces, process speech, sustain eye contact, and converse using natural language processing, standing 166 centimeters long and weighing 20 kilograms. Sophia is programmed for education, research, entertainment, and promoting public discussions about the future of robotics and AI ethics. HRP-5P. HRP-5P is a humanoid robot that targets research and development platforms designed for practical use at sites for assembling large structures. It's mainly used at construction sites, shipyards, and 8-crack facilities. It's designed with a high-power body with improved robot intelligence like object recognition and environmental measurement. HRP-5P is a centimeter and 101 kg robot with a total of more than 35 degrees of freedom. It's built using new hardware technologies and can handle screwdrivers and instant drywall. The robot is being developed by the ACE National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, Japan. The main goal of creating this robot is to replace heavy-duty human labor in response to the country's changing demographics with a controlled birth rate. Heavy human labor is a rising problem in Japan, with robots like this that wouldn't be a problem anymore in the future. If everything goes according to the plan of ACE, we might see all the drywalls being handled by HRP-5P robots. Nadine. Meet Nadine, modeled on Professor Nadia Magnanat Thalmann. Nadine isn't merely a mechanical machine. She's a socially intelligent robot, capable of greeting you, enjoying a conversation, and remembering it going forward. So she'll be able to pick up your conversation where you left off. She can answer questions in several languages and simulate a certain amount of emotion. Even more impressive, Nadine interacted with more than 100,000 visitors at the Art Science Museum in Singapore. Ask her any questions you typically ask a customer service agent, and she'll handle it, regardless of whether you're speaking English, Germany, Hindi, or Japanese. The secret to Nadine's success is her programmed personality. It's odd to talk of a robot with a personality. After all, isn't it all gears and circuitry? Yet Nadine's demeanor changes based on the conversation and utilizing a total of 27 degrees of freedom in facial and upper body movements. With such social flexibility, Nadine is paving the way for social robots to assist in helping people with special needs navigate the world. We rarely consider robots as anything more than code and calculating, and perhaps it's time we did. Atlas. Atlas, developed by an American robotics company, Boston Dynamics. Atlas is a bipedal humanoid robot designed for various research and rescue tasks. It was created in 2013, and the robot's height is 1.8 meters. This robot is mainly utilized to aid emergency services in performing tasks like opening doors, shutting off valves, and operating power equipment with the stuff for humans to survive. Atlas weighs more than 75 kg and has one of the world's most solid mobile hydraulic systems. It has up to 30 joints and moves at a speed of 1.6 meters per second. It's intended to operate both indoors and outdoors. It has 28 degrees of freedom, allowing it to drive a utility vehicle at the site, open a door, and enter a building. Atlas also removes any debris present that blocks an entryway and locates and closes a valve near a leaking pipe. Ameca. Ameca is the world's most advanced human-shaped robot representing the forefront of human robotics technology. Almost every part of Ameca's design has human interaction in mind. The reason for making a robot that looks like a person is to interact with people. It can smile, be thoughtful, look awestruck, or even yawn. Peel away the surface and you'll find 17 individual motors controlling the movements and expressions. Ameca's modular mechanics and cloud intelligence allow it to be upgraded as technology progresses, so it'll remain at the forefront of humanoid robotics technology for years to come. When Ameca can eventually stand, it'll be over 6 feet in height, weighing 49 kilograms and using 52 motors across 51 particular joints. The company maintains that Ameca is designed as a research platform for future robotic technologies and for education and entertainment. Ameca cannot walk currently, unlike other robots, such as Atlas from Boston Dynamics, but research is underway to help Ameca take its first steps. It'll be one small step for Ameca and one giant leap for robot kind, but it'll also be gradual. With that, we've come to the end of our video. Do you think giving humanoids the power of artificial intelligence would be a backlash to humanity? Isn't it scary to think that these human robots will take over our lifestyles someday? Let us know your opinions in the comment section. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Also, please share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back again with another video. Until then, take care.